All right, this is the MXR M104 Distortion Plus. Total classic. Nice hard case. It runs on a 9-volt battery, and you can run it off of a 9-volt power supply if you need to. It's got that classic yellow that you're used to seeing off of MXR pedals, and as far as I'm concerned, the more beat up they get, the cooler they look. It's so simple. It's got an on-off switch, on-off button here. Output and distortion, and it's just it's a classic. It's one that I think everybody should have at some point when you're checking out distortion pedals. But I'm going to give you a little rundown on this real quick. This thing was originally designed in the 70s, so it's got that classic 70s distortion, or like early 80s hard rock stuff that we all know from our favorite guitarists growing up, or at least if you're from my generation. Remember, I've got a small cheap amp here running through a small speaker, so it sounds kind of tinny. I'm playing through an ES335 knockoff humbuckers, and I'm on the bridge position. But here it is clean. And here we'll hit the distortion pedal on. The light turns red. This is about halfway with the output on full. Crank this distortion up. I got distortion level and output. Output turns all the way down. The list of musicians that have used this pedal over the years is way too long, but you got guys like Randy Rhoads use this, Tom York from Radiohead, I guess, uses this, Jerry Garcia, Dave from Iron Maiden uses one of these. It's just it's a great classic distortion pedal that if you're learning how to play guitar, you should definitely check out at least once, so you can say you've done it. But it's a great pedal as far as I'm concerned, and I love it on my pedal board.